So this is the smoke alarm, the fuel watchman smoke alarm. There's only two really types that I see around. The third one, nobody really likes it. Some people do. It's called the preferred. But this one is the fuel watchman. And then you got the MLSA, heat timer jump off. That's the light bulb. And the other side is the sensor. So now, you know when you driving and you see smoke coming out the top of a building, that's what this is about. If you see that smoke in 120 seconds, 2 minutes, it should shut the boiler off. And if it does, it works. If it doesn't, you'll continue to see that smoke in the sky. So let's see if it works. And yes, it works. Good job.